Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6-Bellmead, TX, Waco. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located just off Interstate 35 and 10 minutes drive from central Waco, this motel features an outdoor pool. Beautiful wooden floors decorate each bright, colorful room of Motel 6 Waco, Bellmead. Cable TV and a seating area are also included. Laundry facilities and 24-hour reception are open to all guests of the Bellmead Motel 6. Vending machines are also available. Waco Convention Center is less than 5 miles from the motel. The Cameron Park Zoo is less than 10 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.